welcome back to my workshop. Today I want to show you how to make an easy tie back scrub cap, just like this one. This cap is very easy to make because it only has two parts, the top of the cap and the brim or the band. Let me try this on for you so you can see. So you just put it on and you tie it on the back, which is why they call it a tie back. And then you can fold this up, or you can already have it folded up when you put it on. And there you go. You may recognize this cap because they're also the caps that they use in the hospitals for the doctors and the nurses, which is why I am making this tutorial. I read a post where besides the masks, they were also falling short on these caps. And so I made this tutorial for anyone that would be interested in making them to be donated. Before I continue to show you the instructions on the cap, I wanted to give you an update on the mask that I've made. There is a video how to make mask that I previously done. If you haven't seen it, please do so. I did run out of elastic. I made some new masks with ties. The ties were very easy to make. You just cut some strips, fold them, and then just sew it in the end. Had to be I made them like 50 inches long so that you can have enough to tie in the back. Also, I added a pocket to the back of my mask so that I can insert some filters. I also added a pipe cleaner to the top of my mask so that I'm able to secure it closer to my face, which that helped a lot because since I wear glasses, my glasses will fog up, but this helped to secure it closer to my face and it wouldn't fog up my glasses. I just wanted to show you the different masks that I made, but I'm sure you can find a tutorial for it because there's so many tutorials out there that can show you how to make them. I also want to give you some more tips on how to wear the mask so it can be easier on your ears, especially for those essential workers that need to wear them for a long period of time. Speaking of essential workers, I just want to thank you so much for everything that you're doing for us. For my first tip, I had already shown you on my previous video, was to sew a button on each side of a baseball cap or a cap so that instead of putting the elastic around your ears, you just put it on the buttons. The second tip, I found the idea on Pinterest, or they're also selling them on Etsy, is a headband like this one, and they're sewing a button on each side of the headband and wearing that. Instead of putting the elastic around your ears, you would put it on the buttons, just like in the picture. For my third tip, these are called holder extensions. These go on the back of the mask. I'll turn around so you can see the back. These are very easy to make. You just cut two pieces of material and sew them together and then sew a button on each side. For my fourth tip, I saw on Etsy and I also thought it was a very good idea. Someone was gluing some little rubber bands onto a button, like in the picture, and then so that you can put it on your glasses. And instead of holding the elastic of the mask onto your ears, you would put it again on the buttons. That's all the tips I know for now. If you can think of any, go ahead and please put them on the comments. And now let's get to sewing the cap. Continue watching for my easy instructions. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful in teaching you how to make the cap. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them on the comments. Also, if you're liking my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to see more. I'm hoping that we find a way to kill this virus. Until then, stay safe and continue to social distance. I'm Crafty Valerie. Have fun keeping it crafty.